Hi guys, I'll be giving you the weekly wrap for the week beginning Monday the 4th of June 2018. So we have 7 auctions this week, and our first is the online all-new workshop accessories, ladders, benches, tool cabinets and tool kits auction. This is closing Monday the 4th of June at 6 p.m. And this includes tool cabinets, tool kits, workbenches, barbecue benches, step ladders, trestle ladders and extension ladders, and these are all brand new. They've never been used and they're still in their packaging and they're all at a lowered price. Our second auction is the online liquidators, generators and workshop equipment auction 1 of 2 in Welshpool. This is closing Tuesday the 5th of June at 10 a.m. and this includes 5-ton forklift, trailers, enclosed diesel generators, diesel fuel tanks, power boards, inverter generators, RV generators, 3-phase leads and much more. Our third auction is the online liquidators workshop equipment and consumables auction 2 of 2 in Bentley, and this is closing on Tuesday the 5th of June at 12 p.m. and this includes forklift, trailers, pallet racking, pallet trolley, welders, generators, pedestal drill, power tools, workshop equipment, ladders, switchboards, electrical cable, power boxes, diagnostic tools, tool sets, racking, office equipment and much more. Our fourth auction is the online liquidators GBB aluminium charter crew boat auction, which is in Port Denison, and this is closing Wednesday the 6th of June at 10 a.m. and this is under the instructions from the liquidator McGrath Nickel. Gregson's will sell a 1988 Sutherly design and GBB aluminium ex-fisheries patrol fishing charter crew boat. All information of the boat and their specs and everything will be found on our website. Our fifth auction is the online renovators dream bathroom bench tops, vanities and ACs auction. This is closing Thursday the 7th of June at 6 p.m. and this includes bathroom vanities, bathroom bench tops, air conditioners, evaporative air conditioners and much more. Our sixth auction is the online commercial kitchen and catering equipment auction. This is closing Thursday the 7th of June at 7 p.m. and this includes commercial ovens, fridges, gas stove, griddle, pass-through dishwasher, twin oil fryer, benches, Bain Marie's, extraction canopy and much more. And our very last auction for this week is the online final framed and signed sporting memorabilia liquidation auction, and this is all starting at a very low $9 and this is closing Sunday the 10th of June at 7 p.m. and this includes a huge array of AFL, rugby, music sign frame prints and jumpers, movie and entertainment prints and much more. So that is all of our auctions for this week. We will be closed tomorrow for the WA public holiday and we'll be reopening again on Tuesday the 5th of June from 8 a.m. in the morning. We'll see you then.